Hello everybody, welcome to our first video here actually. Barb and I, we're going to share with you some information that we think that you will find of value, especially, given this time of year and that everyone enjoys saving some money. So we're going to talk a little bit about MPAC assessments. And many of you might be thinking, what is that and why should I care? So that's what we're going to talk about. MPAC, you might have got it, or you should have got it. When would they have got it, Barb?
Well, everybody gets it in the mail November and December, so everybody should have it right now.
Yeah, so you should have got this little letter in your mail. And what does the MPAC letter do?
The MPAC letter goes about your tax assessment, which means how they're going to tax you. So it's very important that you just do not throw it out. It is not a bill. You need to read it.
Okay, so it's something pretty valuable, and it goes through a lot of information that they're going to want to pay attention to. So why is it important then for anybody who's watching this video to pay close attention to what this assessment says?
Well, the assessment is super important because when you look at your assessment, you're going to see the value that they think that your property is worth. If it is anywhere near what your market value is supposed to be, then you are paying way too much. The tax assessment is not market value. So it's very important. You might be paying way too much money.
Okay, so market value versus assessed value. So there should be quite a bit of a difference there. And in many cases, we've seen properties that are selling for $350,000 to be assessed around the $230,000 to $240,000 mark. So you definitely want to see a bit of a gap there. So what can they do then if the people, when they read it, they say, hey, I think I'm paying too much money?
Well, they can go on a website called myproperty.ca.
I think it's about my property.
Aboutmyproperty.ca. And what they can do is they can pull up 24 properties that are very comparable to theirs. However, the government is doing that, so obviously they have not seen your property or the neighborhood properties. So this is where Tyson and myself are offering you the value of our services, free of course, and we can tell you and help you out with your tax assessments at the proper tax assessment of your property.
So if you think that you're paying too much money, you can do one of two things. You can visit that website, About My Property, but you can also just shoot us an email or send us a text message, give us a call, and we can look into perhaps what you're paying, whether or not we think you should contest it or not. And if you should contest it, then we can help you down that road as well. In some cases, we think that some of us are assessed quite low and quite well, and you want to let sleeping dogs lie there. So.
And there is a deadline, though. The deadline for you to contest it is March 31st of 2015. So if you feel that there is something definitely wrong with your assessment, now is the time to get a hold of Tyson and myself, and we'd be more than happy to help you out.
Yeah, because if you get your tax bill, it's too late. You can't do anything about it at that point in time.
Yeah.
And we're going to have another service that's going to be coming into play, which you'll be receiving shortly. Another value-added service that we're going to be doing for all of our past clients. And that is a semi-annual CMA. So every 6 months, you'll receive via email a report outlining all the activity that's happened around your home in the last 6 months. How much has your home gone up in value? What is everything selling for? How many people are selling? All that kind of information. So we think you'll probably find that quite valuable.
And if we happen to be missing your email address, then we really do need to get that, because that is how we're going to send it to you, is via email.
Good.
Yeah.
So that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to be talking to you all soon. And please don't keep us a secret.
Right on. Talk to you soon.